Imagine being able to generate as many AI videos as you want every single day without ever running out of credits. That is exactly what this video is going to show you. Most people use Google Flow and get stuck after only 50 credits each day, but the same video model that works inside Google Flow is also available on a free website that removes this daily limit completely. Stay with me until the end because I am going to walk you through every single step. To start, open Google Chrome and search for SnapGen AI. Look carefully at the search results, and make sure you click on the SnapGen AI website itself, since this is the exact website we need for this video. Once the website opens, you will see the main screen of the website. Click on the Login button at the top and sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see that you already have 40 credits available to use. You will also see an offer on the page that says Unlimited Video Generation, only $20 per month. Please ignore this offer completely, because we are going to generate unlimited videos here for free, without spending any money. Now click on Studio at the top, because this is where we will generate our video. Scroll down and you will see 4 different models: Veo, Grok, ByteDance, and Kling. Please pay attention here, because only Veo and Grok work for free with unlimited video generation, while ByteDance and Kling do not offer free and unlimited video generation, so we will not be using them in this video. Click on Veo and you will see 2 models, Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Lite. Select either one of these 2 models because both of them do not use any credits to generate a video. This means every video you make with these models costs 0 credits. Omni Flash, on the other hand, costs 25 credits for every video. With only 40 credits, you will not be able to make many videos if you choose Omni Flash. This is why you should always choose Veo 3.1 Fast or Veo 3.1 Lite if you want to generate unlimited videos. After selecting your model, type your prompt into the prompt box. For example, you can try something like this. A detailed prompt like this, one that describes the subject, the action, the setting, and the lighting, will usually give you a much better and more accurate video. I am keeping the aspect ratio at 16:9, but you can choose whichever ratio you like. For resolution, both 720 and 1080 cost 0 credits, so there is no reason to choose 720 when 1080 is free. Select 1080, and then simply click on Generate Video. To download your video, click on it, then click on the 3 dots above it, and select Download. After that, go to the History tab, where you will find all the videos you have generated before. There is one important thing written on the site. Data older than 7 days will be automatically deleted. This means if you do not download your video within 7 days, the website will delete that video permanently, and you will not be able to get it back. So always download each video as soon as it is ready, instead of waiting until later. This is how I have been able to generate so many videos, while my credits are still 40 out of 40. Before we finish, there is one more thing you should know. Right now, Veo only supports text-to-video generation. If you try to create a video from an image instead, you will see an error message saying that this feature needs a premium plan or a Veo Max subscription. Grok is also available on this site, but it does not always work for free users. Sometimes it shows a message saying, Grok video temporarily unavailable for free users. I have tried it many times at different hours, but I always get these messages. If Grok works for you, please tell me in the comments. So that was SnapGen AI, a website where you can generate Google Veo 3.1 videos completely free with no daily limit. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you do not miss the next video. See you in the next video.